by this I saw some those days were good. Which I said, which me and Pasareko beat me both with papa no catch away and Pasamapono.
Sure.
But Ceciano, yeah, who say, yes, he says, I know, be sure be back in a sense, being to be in a sense, Diana, who could travel on to our papa no back. That way is way saying I got a long issue. But still there are people around who discipline children one or the other. But as what say, and this first, you know, first all the born point, your papa can out to another one out to so we are maybe I can offer by saying, hey, you can't touch me, my daddy.
Any adofono mema obibia akwaba ede eba too much GH so Ghana wahala jumedie ena ebre asese munia ba amosonfo efesi kapa enenso mede ebebesum etifo eni ahwefo na ebusiafo ene day entema babeto apono so ye hwe se de enkwada ne sese social media aye na dodo na susu se eye no ena ma eye mrantewa ne maba wa sese ni wo mumuhwe wo mosori a wo masoro wo maso den a wo ka hwe kire wo ma omuntie eni nyoma basa wo mo eda na di ewo eye mpotemo ayeti nyina ni nyina eye social media so ena wo mo kokofa sa eni ye ni esu ene eban no efi ne hu behia se awofo ebe hwe se wo mo ma ebe free sa eye tebia no emu na ni nyina no eye sinitwani abaya eye Nollywood star Henshaw ene disa ensem we to edwa or eje eye parent say wo ntwe wo nkwada no emfree eye sa enoma no ehona ne statement awode etu edwa eni o say I know it hard but resist the urge to put your children out there on social media when they are old enough to know the dangers associated with it. Then many are roaming, watching, tracking the evil intention. With evil intention, may God protect our children in this new age. Now we are not to watch them say a social media honeyman jeopardize a young quadano. One more a future and mama brabo a year basana ebusia for and some way a much mudrona ever home you cham home bar. Maybe babasum. For me sanso emamo akwaba shonko ebiemo nye ye dwumadie nyumeko a eso yasen eye mama Juliet Ventures se de mama ni mama Juliet de owo enchansen papa che se oba odi besiesie wo kitchen wo benu mu ama wo so no wo so asipi asitani aka se abaye yi oye aduane wo ni aduane ye nyenchansen a wo benu mu aduane mben so na ase ye hye bi mama Juliet wo enchansen papa che se wo nu aduane a otimi say yes wo so o bobra e wo kitchen honum enti fa ne number e wo screen no eso na ene no entwetwe enkomo na say delivery pa wa baba ye e de ama open a job and so be hunu e wo eye abeka La Paz neat roofing said the one more edin etie no eye roofing ho adwuma e na wo mo eye edan eso ebo omudi ho adwuma omudi ho akoten pa e de ema wo mo babo dan so ama wo enso to ewie ebo na so nchense egudan no so no enya de se airport we say na dey afia mu na wo si wo dan boss one na so na watwa emu 10 years wo mo ya ade e wo mo twale yopo se de wo mo din etie ebia mo so se we wie wo dan sie na wo pe eye glass work and aluminium work to be done no enye na ye Winners Aluminium Limited wo mo be di se adwuma no e de ama se ye wo fie eye wo office wo adwuma mu hwehwe wo mo echi akwan na ene wo mo endi eye kaso na ene day me guest eye Miss Mexical and Mr. Richardson na abusiafo ye kwakomo makwaba na wo de wani di nsem na ekoso no echi na adwinchire bia wo nso atimi de ato edwa e de amaye Mr. Richardson me makwaba enya bibi abokodi bo de adun bibi abokodi ye de rande ase oba mercy ya se shia ye shia ya chemu ye shia ya che na se ye nten shia sa bibi abokodi ya mi adom na ye de rande ase ya mi adom so me hu eye ensem ababeto apono so ye hwe ye niaba eye Kate ne nsem odi to edi ohun ni se social media eye sa awofo no wo mo ntwe wo mo ma emfa emfiri ho na eno ene se wo mo abrabo odo se eye hard do by so no akwadaa no enyini drum pepe so bi no ohunu the dangers involved now or ye na adwen so won come they are fine but for now ne dear onim hwe mfa ho nti no eni kwan say ye mo expose won to social media Mr. Richardson media free wo so ne nsem a wo kan ye no kura bi ewo na eye sa wo fo be ye
Yorùbá can need small kind of very control. Okay. Social media here pass even control no.
Okay.
Yes, in this modern age, here pass because there is a good side and there is a bad side. This social media man calling to be intelligent. At the same time, to me, we move on social media with their innocence.
Okay.
Which I say with their innocence.
Inti no e was say yentwe kwada ni emfi na say go ye man kwada assignment ne won ne ba nti restrict woman that means you don't want your child to learn further no more
yeah, you cannot restrict them in this modern age. You cannot restrict any child on social. We're restricting no baby and why social media is a modern thing. It's what is trending now. You can't restrict them, so the best thing to do is to regulate it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we have to. Every parent has to regulate for their children. You should have access to your child's phone to know what your child is doing on social media, to know the kind of pictures your children will post and all those things. You know, the children will do it for fun, but if you have bad perception here or in that because most people live a fake life on social media. Obi to create your account and be a star. Me saying so what question put into sounds when you are na or the fuck one bonus so on to obi switching na rich an idea. What I say? I to meet my down for all you know, a collective bit may be you putting my condition or oh, mammy, coach me, go no share will be open online. You're going to be no come cry, Bonnie, or by fear because of one crime. I want to be back another channel with different social media bullying.
Hey, social media bullying now.
Oh, yeah. There are people bully people on social media. Okay. Social media bullying, that is it. Because one crazy if you're not going to buy into your way, be part. What you mean, can't you man? And the person will keep on there. One by my maybe if you have a catch on say, the child will still go and there's social media bullying. Also, a crowd like security get tight or not. I mean, bullying is bullying is every time I want to be a regarded.
Aba Mercy. Utie Mr. Richardson or dear to ye joya. So then I bet me aka fa ye nua ba no me comment ne ho.
Yo me da wase. Me na makonya so echia etie fo ne ahwefo ni na echia stroko kra.
Omo jo so pa.
Yo asem a wo ka ne die. Ya asem anka ya asem pa ne mu. Ebe ye say Bibisa betimi akoso because from by the time we are computer babies. Okay. Yes. Oh no, you better no. And the crowd they need to do that. They need that order that. Titi for the that. Oh, she just said, "Now for the yard no mudi chiri." But nini name no. Nya me brane kana mami bra baby o kan kakana social media bullying no. That side me person me be mu kakra. Ebi kra ne gay for ne omo ye obi wa ye sex addict into bebie na ana wo wa no wa social media na yi da so ne be ma da so lesbians obi bebie tini na aka ho the child is not supposed to exposed to that but to be one say obi no ni jimi say montini control no those one of the bullying na no kan wa say no na me hu ne say before we bet nyama about abstaining from all this influence in social media acting na free entity or the map of from the child or see train the child the way they should go so that when they grow up they will not depart from it. It is a what say bani ye fitting them but so many who communication is very strong. O many thing you maybe I say what in your own say blacks Ghanaians, some of the Ghanaians in general, they live a hypocrite life. Okay. Well, instead of people, you mind you're transparent, am I in back? You bring your mom. Okay. Well, yeah, what time for other things? But don't pay attention. See a system I have woman. I used to be a pressure, woman, pressure, and a woman. Enya ye brenya sika ye brenya ye nse be koya no ka ye bedem any property be betumi aye but ye can property ni generation property ni ye mba omoba property ni dachi impenifu a ye tete ama oman Ghana ba ya na ye refi ye ho oba ni be fifie be ma ni be fifie green pasture ko pesika in the name of no bi wa janemba de bi amka sa particular sin wa janemba e de ama house help bia ana obi ana ni bia oni suban oni onu amune tete ye ni obedi nti na wa ba fie wo so be ye adwuma waja oba fitia na pa be pim obi obekọ adwuma ba 8 o'clock only what the child went through so in that times ye mba no enye ne tete all because of ye pe obi suban enye won sa na ni ya when you opule sa child imagine sending mommy and set up a musa truth where you are violent bringing like so many things or very addicted to this social media because at the end they don't money happiness okay so in a lot na contributing into say a child will be addicted to social media okay but say nyamwe ema yemba yemo in so many things I am face from some age in terms of ABR, sex and friendship, boyfriend, girlfriends, these are more implications, dangers, don'ts, do's. Who build this on this kind of things? Only no social media, or be careful. Only what is wrong from what is right. Only say my home. We don't go to this extent. Okay. My home, I don't have to leave my house and go and meet someone on social media, a stranger I don't know. And you put it into the child. Panic, truth, transparency. Be our man, a man here careful. Okay. It doesn't matter the influence because to social media. You want technology world. Akola no onye involved in any bad act na say any bullying to social media.
Aba me se be sa ba. You be sa ba the children
wrong. Won't be stopping anyone from social media.
Okay. Mr. Richardson, tie ye nua ba yi na nsem a wodi atudwa enka ne ne krampo na social media enhyeda enye common no. Still na enkwada say so na kwada ye enoma ense emfatenti e ba ne sen na social media na say enkwada say the enwa baking is it true say upbringing no so eka ho ebie ana
okay first no tete na nkwala say we ka kwala say bia okoy impronin se bi no anyem ba say sia no kwala say na nyem impronin se nkwa o emu drugs tramadol ni nyema bi nyi so moye no eno kan na kwala say because of all is linked to social media ya yebusu ebo abai
inti first name kwada and kwada modern like kwada yesu drop out na boy get to enshishiwi na
ekofu but drugs now
yes you so
never hopa
I hate
never hopa but say no say Canon Colana almost say 20% says now 50%.
Okay.
Due to social media.
Okay.
There are things that goes on our phone be brain in for example drugs no. About sister drugs not bad. Yeah work from here in the account. Drugs not bad. Baby which and social share this pop star post a video no more mix nyama omo boiling. Everyone is just for social media now omo dia super glue say boy some super glue no omo hit super glue smell it and they go off and really na we omo share this rap you omo share so social media no it has caused a lot of damages, you understand?
Okay.
And if we don't treat it earlier we do baby now virgin same so there is nothing worse than spending a time with your child than even it's even worth more than gold.
Okay.
Which I say. And if you have a bond with a child that will be on spending time with them and telling them this is what's on social media. You can't say this is what's on social media to anyway. And because it's all about regulation.
Okay.
We should have access to our child's social media port, being faced with everything, manufacturing. So you're starting now. We should be open to the manufacturing. So we will have a stranger talking to me, block it. Blocking them. And what time is appropriate for my child to be on the social media? For example, yes, every way and collect truck business and if you buy and go buy dominate to apostle and the way and you can bear witness those signs now social media there because of lockdown to more it looks like 24/7 they on social media without learning. And you see that the consequence that came. So there are lots of things social media is doing and some of them are silent and it's still destroying that we don't even know. So the best thing is we should regulate it and have access to our children's social media to avoid cyberbullying and all the cyberbullying. I keep on it because it's a hard teenager girls no plan. And I say this lesbian gays now they don't go around talking again. They recruit them on social media. We have a hangout here. Come with all your girlfriends. So we're gonna out you meet other girlfriends. And what bro you can't resist if you're not sure. If you want to me back. Which I say because I know somebody also this WhatsApp group chat. It's only girls. Omoko have fun. I do crying. Oko do on it. Girls like those people, you know. Unless you have some friends, you can combine in them. And when you come back, we say baby, you're calling a man with TNT 1,000 Ghana be. Wherever, they say any pounds only be. And she become addicted. And we can't say, girl, your TV on him, and say, but he say nah. Say no, it's through social media. They're recruiting lots of people through social media, and it's bullying because she can't come out and tell his family. When it's not catching the parents, they just say, or name the parents. No, they are cool, but there is no bond of conversation, and which means they didn't start from the early age. You see, so all these things is there. In social media, no, it's more harm than now.
Okay.
It's more harm than now.
Okay. Yeah. Now we see point to be brown name if I will person.
Now can be say read the normally way no and I'm assuming me build sentences and say into the year okay. At times no when some of the kids no in social media no call
okay
but environment you know and also to me influence no man live that a certain kind of life. To say we once a fear be brave wa nechi a fear nature almost shake almost don't be almost complaining almost quiet she no more exposing bofano or area more san no more ya for kubo it ya American and we here pan because I want to will ban year a bay didn't say so na communication effective munya mrema each other trusting system here good. Transparency is good. A bear didn't say, I will find it to me, and you involving to act to be or be hiding from you. On one casano, brought in up here. On him said, this is who I want to be, this is where I'm going. My own, there is fear of the Lord, there is a whole lot of discipline. So, a bear they say, such a person will disappoint the family. A bear one. But say one kasa wofo when you know so jeja abofra no o kodi agora unhwehwe na chiri kwan wakọ no waba ebi okọ ekra wakoto pani bi nsem ono twetwe ne ho ode ne sa akọhwehwe abofra yi oba e wa beka ebi a 2 years ekra si ni abofra no no de otimi nya no kan bankrani wakola ya tete no wakra times no mani nte yesa so when it's very important when it comes to parents taking care of their children to becoming a good
child.
Good people in the future. No, okay. It's very important.
Okay.
Social media need the only contribution in more as in only when the person know what is wrong from what is right. At times, any easy to be influencing too much.
Mr. Richardson, yen share idea. Obia nyome bisi na bibisi na efa nkora ho a ana efa youth no enwa. Eni a ye disi aye parents. We social media enwa asemi yayi. Eye nua bai wo ka say awofo enodi nani esiye. Adenti na awofo nkwa na nkwa ye oman no empanimfo ne nkwa ba na awofo ne nkwa because awofo bi wo ho no ma obetimi aye strict e wa kwada eso so social media yemfa restriction bi anya den ento ho se ono akwada no wontimi nje ne yonko phone emfa enko ento odo se ne mama etia no ne papa etia no woni phone e wo fie enso onya kokopia na yonko phone nko ade obetimi use obe log in to na account oni phone so wa account na wa log in no de call enti ade na dan da ye de ani si awofo no so na eye mpanifo no ye ntro eye yi ni bi nso so enko ho no mu.
Okay, you can't parenting kwa hinye obi a wawo. Me can't my used to say some way back that come on a new way and as which we should be by this I saw some because we know those days were good. Which I said, which me and Pasareko beat me both of both papa no can to Pasama Bono.
Sure.
But Sesiano, yeah, who say yes, Sesiano, Obi show be back in a sense, being to be in a sense, Biana. Uko travel to papa no ba that way is way say na put any long issue but still there are people around who discipline children one or the other but as what say and this first no first all the boning po anyo papa kwa na ochu na man kwa na ochu so we are me brother na wo for but say hey you can't touch me my daddy say nobody can touch me you understand way back no your foot throttle na there you mpeni a ye gina o ma mu je ba time no etwem and we blame some of them because Seven years, we are in the social media penifo so-called celebrities. We don't know if they are telling a king. Or now call which Martin will be. So, mind you, it means every no Saturday now. Why don't I say so? We are doing the right thing. And see, the best thing is that parents should have bonds with their children. That is the foundation. When there is a bond, you are good to go. They wouldn't hide anything from you. You understand? You have their back, they have your back. It's all about communication, having a bond. The bond is very important. That is it.
Oba Mercy.
Yeah, ba.
Yet hey you say ebi wo hono ma ye wo ensa bi advert bi ni enyoma bi wo hono yitimi the restrictions to ho say ye below 18 untimi unyusu untimi nhwe untimi nyese ade na social media you need that year restrictions no e wo hono ma ebetimi abo amasa enyoma ye hu ni say social media e ka ho a e say enkwada na say ebetimi ama o mabrabo asay dia ye for regulations bi sa ento ho na ensi eye oseye no kwan
Yo, we are back with our. What did you say? Okay, we are back with our no question. One say, Adebia Baswa. The more I want advantages, less our disadvantages.
Exactly.
So gradually, when we are experiencing it, that's when we will figure out the damages.
Okay.
And how to go about the damages.
Okay.
And I believe, say, this is the time I noticing all those kind of disadvantages on social media.
Okay.
Abba, just says, see, the Abba bro, so. And I know, say, definitely, who are afar observing, I think it's now that they will realize, say, they have to do something about it. They have to bring some restrictions. But I really believe, say, it will be possible. Because, let me say at first, social media in friendship, at least it will let you know what goes on in other ones. Yeah. Yes. And it was a good idea. But now they see a whole lot is going on. So I think it's now almost sit back as they are sitting back. I realize now because you see I mean restrictions be on YouTube, Facebook, naked picture, okay. So I'm sure say gradually they will work on that. Okay. It will come to that.
Mr. Richardson, okay, say you like that question.
I like that question, but social media is being regulated heavily.
Okay.
What should we say? DSTV, there are children's channel.
Okay.
And to Papa no on weekends, parents in the two children channel. Apart from children channel, nothing of that sort can happen. Okay, Facebook, there are other pictures. They will ask you what is your age, what real age now. If you are below that age, you don't have access to it. Okay. Which I say. But the point is, there are bad notes inside. If anything, sorry, Japanese porn site, they've lost people due to COVID-19, so they are recruiting people. On the other two sites, clear and the Facebook ground. You see, there are good sides and bad side of it. But if you really want it regulated, it's expensive, but you have to pay to regulate it. But it should be easy for people to regulate it because it's not everyone who can afford DSTV for the children's channel. Sure. You see, so it's all about. You see, we should set a board for regulations. And your board, I'm alphabet like this go no. So I didn't actually say we should set a regulation whereby in Kuala channel we should regulate it. What I say, okay. We should do all these things because regulation the whole part to monitor and everything. But born by a child is very important. You know what? For phone money. Make sure that It should be cool.
But some parents are too careless.
Oba Mercy, you the answer me when we for
final. The last one, parents will come for our banner phone book game. I by myself, call video picture and another also so in parents so one more question.
Entertaining the baba. Now you are being careless.
Oba Mercy, for final words. Emma Ashofoni etiefo.
Me dey am gusu American say. Obi bi a wo hwe me a we parents. In fact, communication between you and your children are very, 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 very necessary. Share and for when who saw ya the bonnet, na men shemo. To send ya who she a man yet is a pussycats. There be who and you can because of Chile or say ya, who fear not the bow. Okay. And I will for no moment ye, Jumani ye, my Jesus to chase can I win ya bats. You make my pressure fire too much, and you may you may win no other things in here, and you be jar to us, not that she be and the best better when ya wanted to obey and that she be, and so Shoma will see to unyao or the headache of one, yes, or Kawukra on your kuno, and now say. Obey you, be sorry. I want to know if you put the woman now, not a child. It's me, Pamacho will be there. Will show me a woman. But when you call Bano because I don't know what that.
Mr. Richardson, for final words.
My final words. So you see, parents are out there hustling, making money. It's for home. It's for their children and the future. But the point is, the little time we get with our children, there should be an impact.
Okay.
We can't spend the whole day with them whilst we go hungry. No, it's true. We are trying to make an ends meet, but the little time we get. We should be able to make an impact of it. That's why I'm saying with children it's more precious than buying a gold. You understand? So time is precious and the bond is also precious. So let's all make time for our kids. And yet kids want to know call wrong way me. She said intimate work but me and correct you. You can correct somebody without even hating the person and also yeah.
I was here for and I didn't come out to no a busy with me say discussion no a photo be brave a woman for be a two kotoko we are for we are kwada we are wine also so how I'll better to on your ma SC Alpha. Subscribe to your channel no so when you are if you like videos na share FMA ebusia for any adofonum obet me so follow your way IG page @tumagh_. Meeting Eddie Equiesi Kappa, Miss Messical and Mr. Richardson and any day Menuomu AC and Konya Education and Commodasane, Yabesane Shamakram.
Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH. And you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Human One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.